In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure that the store you are trying to use Klarna in is eligible for in-store payments. Once you are secure that you can use in-store payments on that store, what you have to do is, inside of the Klarna app, you should be able to select the specific shop or retailer that you want to shop in and select it. And from there, you will have the option to create a one-use card. As you can see, all you have to do is hold your phone near the payment in order to use Apple Pay or Google Pay to simply finish paying for it, and all of the payments will be transferred through using Klarna. You will then be able to manage your purchase or your post-purchase process inside Klarna itself. So all you have to do is create a one-time usage card that you will be using to pay for your item inside the retailer or inside of the store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.